Hey everyone! Today we're diving into a thrilling frontier, AI-powered cybersecurity. Imagine having an intelligent sentinel that never sleeps, learns from every attack, and adapts faster than any human team. That's the reality we're stepping into, and it's changing the game of digital defense. So, what exactly is AI-powered cybersecurity? At its core, it's the use of machine learning and AI algorithms to detect, respond to, and even prevent cyber threats. These systems analyze massive datasets, like logs, user behavior, and network traffic, to identify anomalies that might indicate an attack. It's like having Sherlock Holmes with a billion eyes. The real power lies in automation and prediction. Traditional defenses often rely on known signatures and react to incidents. But AI flips that script, using behavioral analytics to predict and stop threats before they escalate. Think of it like your immune system, constantly adapting to new viruses and evolving as it learns. This isn't science fiction, it's already in play. Tools across the industry use AI to monitor endpoints, detect zero days, and respond autonomously. Even in threat hunting, AI helps analysts uncover subtle patterns that would otherwise be buried in terabytes of data. With cyber attacks becoming more sophisticated, AI is crucial just to keep up. But there's a catch: AI isn't perfect. Adversaries are experimenting with ways to trick models using adversarial inputs or poison training data. And let's not forget the black box problem. Sometimes we can't explain why an AI flagged something, which can complicate quick decision-making during incidents. So where is this heading? The future is a partnership. AI won't replace cybersecurity pros, but it will amplify them. Analysts will shift from reacting manually to orchestrating and supervising intelligent systems, freeing up time for deeper strategic work while AI handles the noise. To wrap it up, AI is reshaping cybersecurity into a smarter, faster, and more resilient force. If you're in cyber, mastering AI tools isn't just smart, it's essential. The threats are evolving, and so must we. Let's build defenses that think just as fast as the attackers do,